On your Facebook account, proceed to click on Ads Manager. Now, open the bar menu on the left of your screen and be sure to select your Facebook page or business portfolio from which you want to create the Facebook Ads account. Since we are creating the first ad account for this page, you'll be prompted by something like this. So, we click on this button. Now, we proceed to click on Add. Now, we click on Create a new ad account. We give it a name, select our time zone and our currency, and click on Next. Here, you can select for what this ad account will be used for. In this case, my own business, and now we click on Next. Here, you can confirm you are opening the ad account under the right Facebook page. If everything looks good, agree to the terms of service and click on Create Ad Account. Now the ad account was created, but we need to add a payment option to pay for the ads we're going to run. We click on Add Payment Info, and now we need to select the currency, location, and time zone of the payment option we are going to add. It should be the same info we use for the ad account. Click on Next. Now we can either add a credit card or a PayPal account. In this case, I'm going to use a PayPal account. So it'll take me to PayPal's website to confirm this action. It will ask me to select a credit card as a backup payment option in case I run out of balance. If one of your cards doesn't go through, just select another one. Here we go. My PayPal account was added. Your Facebook ad account is almost good to go. Remember to assign yourself full control over your newly created ad account so you can use it in its full potential. The last thing to do is to confirm the ad account was created successfully. For that, we need to go to the Ads Manager. But as you can see, it's grayed out. To fix this, we reload the page and now we're able to click on this button. If we do so, our Ads Manager should open and we're now able to start creating our ads on Facebook and Instagram. See you soon.